Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today is the second day of this little disaster we have here, and it's not just here. It looks to me like it's going to be a phenomenon that is going worldwide at this point. But anyway, we are doing just fine here. We are hanging around at the house, and I had a lot of videos scheduled for some of you guys that are interested in the housing developments and other things, overseas workers and other that are planning on maybe moving back to Philippines and all that. And I had several of those scheduled with different real estate agents and everything. And obviously we had to pretty much cancel all that until this whole debacle is over. But we are doing just fine. I work a little bit from home. I've been doing that for the last 5 years. I'm a web developer, and we have, I have a few clients back home in the United States, and working with them. So I'm not depending on travel to go to the office or anything like that. And let me say that too. If you have web projects, I'd be happy to assist you on some of that. I'd be happy to give you a quote if you have any web business that you need done. We can help you here at Our Life in the Philippines, and we only take mainly take clients from Europe and from the United States, where I have my little office and working out of in Orlando, Florida. So that said, you're welcome to contact me in regards to any needs you have on the web and mobile app side. And I have a few developers here in the Philippines that I work closely with, and we've done that over the last few years. Anyway, so today, second day of this, it's actually the third day of this quarantine. We went out last weekend and went down to Morong, where we go quite often. And hang out with some friends down there, and I also do a little bit of web work for them actually. So we decided to go down I think it was last Thursday, and on our way home, I realized that it was probably more serious than just a few things in Manila shutting down. When I saw cars and trucks and buses and everybody pulled over at the border in Lubao, between Pampanga and Bataan. So anyway, today we are going to get out a little bit and look around. It's kind of an eerie feeling that number one, we have actually curfews here. At 10 p.m. They want to see everybody off the streets and nobody out on the streets at all. So we took a little walk and a little ride up to, we had to go to Pure Gold, and we stopped by there, and they have some a checkpoint right there by the police station between Mabalacat and Angeles City, and they stopped the cars, they stopped the motorcycles, any motor vehicle, and they take the temperature of the people. From what I could see inside the cars, and then they just passed them on, and they're free to go. What I thought was strange actually is the fact that some of those people out there walking, they just walked by. They were not checked. They were not checked for temperatures or anything. They just kept walking. So half of the people that go into Angeles from Mabalacat are walking now because there's no public transportation. They're not checked. So, I don't see the point in checking cars and not people walking. But that's, I guess, a decision they have made, and I'm sure that if some of those are walking, could be infected. So they just slip by. Another thing I wanted to mention is the last night, I ran out because I got hungry, and I went up and got me a chicken at one of those street barbecue places where I actually bought my chicken for the last 5 years and never had any problems with it. But what happened was, when I get up to the old bus station, there's hundreds of people waiting there, and obviously there's no buses going or running, and I was assuming they were trying to get out of here, and sure enough, they pull up with big trucks and pack the people as sardines on the truck bed. And these are, almost semi-sized trucks with a flatbed, and they pack the people on there. And I'm questioning if it wouldn't have been better, since we have this keep the distance rule from each other. Would have been better to keep the bus traffic going for those who work in Manila and so on and so forth. But no, they packed them up on that truck and took off. Wherever they go, they took off and went up towards NLEX up here in the, at the Dawu access road. Strange to me, but that's what they did. All right, let's get out there and check out around the town. I call it the ghost town. Let's check it out.
Hey, you speak English? I got a question for you. We have relatives up in Mabalacat.
In Florida?
Yeah, Mabalacat.
Yeah.
No travel allowed at all, or is it?
That's a lockdown.
Right. So no travel between here, Mabalacat.
Jeepney?
No, my motor. Can you drive motor?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're allowed during day hours. Then.
We have ID.
Yeah. I got ID, driver's license, Filipino driver's license. Okay. All right. So they have checkpoints.
Yeah.
Wow. That's incredible. Same thing in the U.S. now. More and more. Even Europe. I'm Swedish. Even in Sweden now, they close stores. They all over the world. France, Spain, Italy, everywhere. It's crazy. All right. Yeah. Well, then we'll go back. You see how scared they are? You see how scared they are when I got within 3 feet from him? Yeah. Yeah, this parking lot is normally full, right? This is pure gold. Guys, this parking lot is normally full, or a lot of people. Pure gold is open. However, they have closed off one side. They are letting a limited number of people through. Let's walk up here and check it out. They have a great look for Cantonese chicken, like Thai food. We go here and eat. They're pretty good food, and they are shut down. Social security system shut down. The branch BDO are open. All the banks are open, but they have shortened hour to about 3 p.m. 2 to 3 p.m. Right? 2 or 3 p.m. in the afternoon. But as you see, the gate there, they shut down one side of it, so they're letting people in and out in a limited number. Yesterday there was a long line to get in here. Today it's a little better. So maybe tomorrow we can go and buy some groceries.
Groceries are not closed, but we have
Yeah.
limited hours.
Limited hours, but it's also, I don't like to walk in and stand in line when there's 200 people to try to get in and 100 people trying to get out. And that's what's been going on right now.
It's making me fun.
I'm making fun of her putting the helmet on backwards. She didn't like it.
Of course.
Why don't you do this yourself? Ooh, you do it. I hold it. All right. Yeah, stick that on there, hon, so we can go.
Look, when I do this, look. Ding.
Yeah, you bend it out a little bit. It's a good helmet. All right.
It's time to do an action.
We're going to take a little ride, go back home and show you how empty the street is. But what is it now, like 5:30, right?
No, it's almost 6.
5:30, 6 o'clock. Everything is closed. Even I see on the other side, the payment center at Western Union, everybody's closed. So let's just go up the street and I'll show you how empty the streets are.
No traffic. Huh? Wanna put gas?
No, but I want to show the gasoline prices. Gasoline prices here has gone down. The Shell Fuel Safe V-Power was 46, 47 pesos. It's today 39 pesos.
47.
39.47. So it's
Yeah.
gone down with over 6 pesos. Which is what, 10, it's 16%. Gasoline has gone down over the last week.
Yeah, because no one will going to the gas station.
Nobody needs it. You're not allowed to drive.
Yeah, you need to do walk.
Yeah.
I saw the little bit passenger over here. Yeah, passenger.
Yeah, look at local business. Local business here, all shut down. These are stores and, Filipino carinderias. And
We can go.
they're all shut down.
Yeah,
There's nothing open.
nothing open.
Nothing open.
They are all closed.
Alright guys, that was a little bit about what's going on here. And as you could see, streets are empty and very little traffic, and the number of people out there is significantly reduced. The time we normally travel up and down there around 6 o'clock, 6:30, it's so packed of cars and walking people and motorcycles and tricycles that you can barely move. And today it was almost a pleasure to drive up and down there. But anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to share our videos. Give us a subscription, hit that button and hit the bell to get notified, and we'll see you soon again in the next video. We're not 100% sure what we're going to do. The channel will be affected to some extent because we have limited movement, but we're going to try to put out some content consistently. if not every day, but at least 2-3 times a week during this time. And it should be over hopefully by mid-April. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again